This is my Microsoft LifeCam Cinema, and recently I've been having trouble adjusting the camera settings. So I was reading on Amazon that you can actually adjust the settings using Skype Settings. So I actually tried it and it worked for some things, so I'm just making this video in case someone wants to use it for their Microsoft camera that's kind of outdated, webcam that's outdated. Like this is a cinema, so the actual software doesn't work. I think it's Studio 3.6 or something, Cam Studio 3.6. Anyways, long story short, this customer said to use Skype settings, and so let me go open that up. So if you go into, let me see. So open Skype, and then at the top over here is these three dots. If you click on it, it'll have an option for settings. This settings window will open, and then just click on audio and video. Click on audio and video, and then scroll down. And then you have webcam settings over here. Click. Here's the properties for the webcam. And so from here, you can do some adjustments. Like I can adjust brightness, contrast, and then save it, apply it. Some of these settings will save, some of them might not. I'm pretty sure brightness will. And like zoom may not, but focus will save probably. So at least it's an alternative for some of us who can't install software, like me for this Microsoft Cinema webcam. So again, you can use Skype and go into settings and select video and click on the option to change video settings. So good luck with that. You can adjust stuff like brightness and contrast and sharpness, and you can adjust focus and possibly some other settings and save them for future use. So good luck.